Hello guys, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to do shading. How do you guys do it? I have a few ways to do it. Let's get started. Well, this is a sample that the result that we can achieve with several methods of shading in Adobe Illustrator. Let's go. Right, the first thing is use pen. A very basic way to use it. Use pen. Where is the pen? This one right here. Pencil. I modify the shortcut to Shift A. A basic shape of sphere. We use it like this. Shading. That's the first way to do it. Next, use pencil. I also modified it to N. Shortcut on my Adobe Illustrator is N. I'm using mouse now. Well, you can see it's a little bit hard, especially for shape like. But the advantage of using pencil is that you can fix them like this. Eyedropper tool, shading. That's second method. Third method, use pen, pencil, intersect. So this is how I do it most of the time. I'm using mouse right now. Just make a shape of a shading that you like. What you do next is copy and then copy in the front, Ctrl F, and select these two together, intersect. Now eyedropper tool or use color that you want. Now we have shading. Need some fixing sometimes. Yay! Now the fourth method will be use masking. What are you talking about? I'm talking about this. My clipping mask. The advantage of clipping mask is clipping mask polish. Well, you can modify it when it's within the masking. You can do a lot of things within it. You can also move it, flip it in the direction of the light, and funny stuff can happen. Bonus. Copy front twice minus one. For something quick, use copy front twice. See, there is a 3 spheres like that. You move it like this, and then minus one. You got yourself a shading. You can modify it based on how you want the shape to look. For example, you want to make a ball, do it like this. This also works when you want to do something fast. something like that. Now, the application of all of this technique. I usually use pencil for this. If you don't use pencil, it's a lot more comfortable to use pen. And there is a few methods to do this. To fit the color, you can choose a darker skin tone, copy front, and then you can use flippy mask or intersect. Oops, we lost that. Intersect. We gotta self some shading. For a spot like this, I usually just use pencil and fiddle with it until I get the right shape that I want. Yeah, that. And sometimes I use multiply. Depends on what kind of style that you look. And by using multiple of those techniques, you can achieve a lot of amazing things. For example, here is a quick sample of what we can do with everything we just learned. In the basic shading for the hair, come on. Don't embarrass me now, pencil. Copy, front, and then intersect. Like that. And then, oh, I want to add shadow. Okay. Shadow for the hair? Sure. We copy the face to the front and then we intersect them. Sometimes if you're going to confuse what is happening here. Well, because it is a group, so you gotta do it as a group. Oh shit, it's not working. Usually if I use unite, it will work. No, not working. Maybe this one. Oh yeah, the problem is this is a group, so it's copying it as a group and it doesn't work. Fix the little detail. Come on, help me out. One better color, lighter perhaps. We add the shape of this head and the shape of this neck. Intersect together, paste in front of it, and then add shading. And depending on where the light comes from, we can add manual tracing with pencil. Oops. We put the dark. Something like that. Or this one is the dark. Oh, just fiddle with it until it looks right. Just like those cooking channels, here's I prepared the finished version. Okay. Thank you for listening. If you are here at the end of the video, thank you for watching. Maybe subscribe and like. follow us to see what's come up next for the next tutorial video. I'll see you guys again until we meet again.
Bagaimana pemirsa? Mudah bukan untuk membuatnya?